Hi there, students. Hair raising. Hair raising. It's an adjective. You've got hair raisingly, the adverb. Okay, if something is hair raising, it's scary. Yeah, it makes you afraid. So, the taxi driver drove incredibly fast, and it was a very hair-raising journey. The book was about a hair-raising escape from a prison camp. Okay, so if it's hair-raising, it's extremely alarming. It's terrifying. Yeah. The prices they charge are hair-raising. Yeah, they're astonishing. They make you feel afraid. So a hair-raising story, yeah, it's going to frighten you, but maybe it's exciting as well. If you go to the fun fair, yeah, they've got all these rides, and the rides can be rather hair-raising. Yeah, he was driving at hair-raising speeds. Yeah, they were scary. Yeah. The number of people that were affected by COVID was, and still is, hair-raising, very frightening. Yeah, it's blood-curdling, if you like. Let's see. When you're afraid, you know how your hair stands on end. Well, look at it. It's already stood on end. Probably the idea of messing up the video is a hair-raising experience for me. Yeah, a hair-raising close encounter with death. So you don't die, but it was a close thing. A hair-raising near miss. Yeah, it's frightening. It's alarming. Yeah, it's terrifying. It's horrifying. The number of people who are out of work is hair-raising. The hair-raising statistics. The number of people who are on the breadline, only have just enough money to live, is hair-raising. Yeah, it's hair-raisingly high. There you go, as an adverb. He drove hair-raisingly. This is hair-raisingly dangerous. Okay, so if you're in a dangerous situation, it's hair-raising. Okay, let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, okay-ish, but certainly no more. And the origin, well, your hair, when you're frightened or afraid, the hair, certainly on the hair on my arm, it sticks up, and the idea is when you're afraid, all of your hairs stick up and it raises your hair, and that's the idea of hair raising. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hair raising, hair raisingly.